In this video, we will learn what linked lists are and how to implement a linked list using C++ code. A linked list is made up of nodes. The first node in a linked list is called the head, and each node in the list points to the next. Each node contains some data like a value, as well as a pointer to the next node in the list. A linked list is referred to as a singly linked list if the links to the nodes are in one direction. Sometimes, a linked list has links in both directions, so each node also has a field called previous. We call this type of linked list a doubly linked list. The C++ standard template library has built-in collections for these two types of linked list. The forward list container is a type of singly linked list, and the list container is a doubly linked list. We will learn about each of these in the next section of the course, where we learn about the main container types in C++'s standard template library. The first step to creating a linked list in C++ is to create a node class. This class will have two public attributes, one of type int named value, and one of type node pointer named next. Inside of the main function, we will start out by creating a node pointer named head. Then we will have a node pointer named first that we set to a new node. We will also have a node pointer named second that we set to a new node, followed by a node pointer named third set to a new node. After that, we will set the value of first to 1, second to 2, and third to 3. We will set first's next pointer to second, second's next pointer to third, and third's next pointer to null. Then we will set head equal to first. While head does not equal null, we will output the value of head to the console, followed by an arrow formed by using a dash and a closing angular bracket. After that, we will set head equal to its next value. At the bottom of the function, outside of the while loop, we will output null to the console, since the final value that a linked list points to is null. When we run the code, notice that our linked list is made up of nodes 1, 2, and 3, and that 3 points to null, signifying the end of the linked list.